One of the leading issues for design respins is due to interferences with the overall PCB and mechanical assembly. Xpedition Layout provides 3D assembly file design rule checks to not only just verify violations in the PCB design, but the overall physical system design. In this example, we have several daughter cards and mechanical models imported into our design. We also have 3D rules created at the project level, which can be imported directly into our assembly file checks, so that all designers in the system can use the same rules. As well as importing 3D based rules, we can create assembly based rules. With the assembly file checks, we have access to the entire physical system design. These rules are also saved to the assembly file. This helps the reuse with different configurations and also allows designers connected to the physical system design to share constraints. In this example, we are going to define a simple rule from all connectors in the measurement card to the board geometry in each daughter card to have a 3D clearance. We have the ability to select the 3D project, which is denoted by the greater or less than symbols, or individually select the instance within the assembly file checks. We can do this from the board elements or components from one board to another. Now that our rules have been created, we can run assembly DRC. Once the check is complete, it will create a log file of all violations within the design. To view the violations, we will use Hazard Explorer. You can see the violation type, offending objects, and the distance which the violation occurs. We can also turn on the highlight feature in Hazard Explorer to view only the offending components within the 3D view. You can see for this first violation, we've broken the minimum design rule as the IC is too close to one of the board-to-board connectors. In our second violation, we have broken our optimal rule set as we placed the header too close to one of the daughter cards in the assembly. With Xpedition, you have the ability to quickly define complex assembly 3D design rules and immediately identify violations throughout the design cycle, allowing you to potentially avoid design respins.